Hey there! Are you tired of scrolling through countless videos looking for the real secrets to building wealth? Well, today's video might just be the turning point in your financial journey. We're diving into 5 investments that can make you rich in 2025. But hold up, this isn't just another fluffy get-rich-quick guide. We've done the research, crunched the numbers, and pulled insights straight from the world's top financial books and experts. This is going to be the most practical, actionable, and game-changing video you've ever seen on building wealth. Stick around because you'll not only learn about the best investment options, but also how to start implementing them today. And make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're serious about transforming your financial future. Ready? Let's jump right in. Burry 1. Stock Market Index Funds. Kicking things off with a classic but incredibly powerful option. Stock market index funds. Now, if you're rolling your eyes thinking this is just another boring investment, think again. Let's break it down. Index funds are like the cheat code to investing. They track the performance of a market index, like the S&P 500, giving you a slice of the top-performing companies without the risk of betting on just one stock. Think Apple, Amazon, and Tesla. The average annual return of the S&P 500 is about 10%. Compounded over time, this can turn small investments into a fortune. Here's the practical step. Start with low-cost funds like Vanguard's VOO or Fidelity's FXAIX. Set up automated monthly contributions and let the compound interest do the heavy lifting. 2. Real estate investing, rental properties and REITs. Next up, we're talking about an investment that's built more millionaires than any other. Real estate. But before you say, I don't have the money to buy property, let me show you some creative ways to get started. Meet Sarah, a 27-year-old teacher who bought her first rental property with less than $10,000. How? She used an FHA loan, which requires only 3.5% down, and purchased a duplex. She lived in one unit and rented out the other, letting her tenant cover most of the mortgage. Within 2 years, she refinanced and bought another property. If owning property feels out of reach, consider REITs, real estate investment trusts. These allow you to invest in real estate through the stock market with as little as $100. Vanguard's VNQ is a great example. Here's the practical tip. Do your homework on the local rental market or start small with REITs. Either way, real estate can create a consistent passive income stream and build long-term wealth. Third, the rise of AI and tech stocks. You've heard the buzz. AI and tech are the future. But here's the thing, the future is already here, and 2025 could be the tipping point for exponential growth in this sector. Let me tell you about OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT. In 2023, they disrupted industries from marketing to healthcare, creating billions in value. Companies like NVIDIA, which provides the hardware powering AI, saw their stocks skyrocket. If you're looking to invest in this space, consider ETFs like ARK Innovation ETF, ARKK, or individual stocks like NVIDIA, Tesla, or Microsoft. Set aside 5 to 10% of your portfolio for growth stocks. Remember, these are higher risk but potentially higher reward investments. Do your due diligence and stay informed about market trends. Fourth, cryptocurrency, the smart way to invest. I know what you're thinking. Crypto, isn't that risky? And you're right, but here's the kicker. Smart, strategic investments in cryptocurrency have turned many ordinary people into millionaires. Take Ethan, who started dollar-cost averaging into Bitcoin during its dips. He didn't try to time the market. He simply bought $50 worth every week. Over 3 years, his investment grew by over 300%. Stick to the top players like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Allocate only what you can afford to lose, and consider using platforms like Coinbase or Binance. If you've already dabbled in crypto, comment below with your favorite coin. Fifth, skills and personal development. Last, but definitely not least, the most underrated investment, you. Warren Buffett says, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." And he's absolutely right. Let's talk about Jack, a software engineer who invested $2,000 in an online AI course. Within 6 months, he landed a job paying double his previous salary. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and even YouTube offer courses for as little as $50. The ROI on these investments can be life-changing. And there you have it, 5 investments that can make you rich in 2025. From the stock market to real estate, AI to crypto and investing in yourself, these are proven paths to wealth. But remember, the key is to start now. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and share it with someone who needs to see it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications because we've got more game-changing content coming your way. What's your next big investment? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay focused and stay invested.